Hello guys, hi, how are you all? I hope you're all doing really good. So today I will be discussing about string in C. String is a very important topic. Whenever you go to any interview, at least one program from this particular concept will be asked. So what I've decided is I'll not go into the theory portion much, but I'll be explaining more about the programming stuffs. So I have included very basic programs as well, so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, support me, and do watch the full video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Yes, let's begin now. Okay, so first is here I have taken string Gurukul. What is the name of the string? It is name. Okay, you can give this particular name as anything, like string str also you can give. You can give word, something like that, any whatever the name you wish. Okay, and two things you should remember in strings: one is index, another one is string. So index means it starts from 0 always, and it is used to access the characters in the string. Okay, and what is a string? String is a set of characters. So here G is a character, U is a character, it is each letter. Okay, set of these characters together we call it as a string, and string is always appended with a null character. So remember this null character is going to be of very useful whenever you write the program, like to specify the boundary till where you want to loop, till the null character is encountered I want to loop, something like that. Okay, so remember this point always. If you know this, you can write a program very easily. And if you want to access any character string value, then you can put name of, if I write name of 5, then what will be fetched? U will be fetched. If I write name of 6, then what will be fetched? L will be fetched, something like that. You can use string name and its index to access the specific character. Okay, this one you remember because that will be repeatedly used in the programs, right? So this is a piece of the code, a very basic one. This is the initialization of the string. Here string name is str and it is initialized with a Gurukul. And here I am just printing the string using %s. So %s is usually used for the string, as we use %d for the integer, right? So next is string functions. String functions, why are these used? First thing, see, if you write any whenever you are writing any programs, if you just call these string functions, it will does the job for you. You need not write the whole code. Say for example you want to compare two strings, you need not write the whole code for the comparison. You can just call these string compare function and it will do the job for you. Okay, so there is a few important string functions which I have mentioned here. First one is a string length. String length means, as the name says, it will just give us a length of the string. So what is the name of the string? That you should mention inside the braces, and then it will give you the length of the string. If the length of the string is 5, it will display 5. If it is 7, it will display 7. That's it. And next is string copy. String copy means it will copy the content of one string to the another. Okay, so assignment is always from right to left. That is why you should have string 1 at the right one and string 2 at the left. Okay, next is string compare. String compare means it will compare string 1 with the string 2. It will write one of these values. Okay, negative value, positive value, or the zero value. Zero value means that if the two strings are equal. See, string comparison always compares using the ASCII values. If the ASCII value, the character is converted to ASCII, and then it is converted ASCII values. If the ASCII values are equal of every character, then what it will print? It will print 0. 0 means the strings are equal. Okay, and positive means that the first string unmatched character of the first string is greater. And negative means what? Unmatched character of first unmatched character of the first string is less than the other one, ASCII value. Okay, that is why it prints negative value. So next is concatenation. Concatenation means, say for example, you have two strings, Guru and Kul, and you want to add those two strings and you want to get Gurukul. That is a case when you use a string concatenation. Okay, and next let's come to the programming, the main one. So guys, here I'm not using any string inbuilt functions. Whatever I have explained here, right, I'm not using any inbuilt functions. That is because in interviews, if you go, they will usually ask you to write the string programs, and they'll definitely ask you not to use the inbuilt function. So that time you should be aware, right, how you should be implementing the strings. That is why I have not used any string functions, inbuilt functions, to calculate or do any job. Okay. So find the string length. We can use the string length function to calculate the length, but I'm not using here, so we'll see how we will do it. Okay, this is very basic. So say for example, I have hello and it will be attached with the null string. So this is 0 1 2 3 4, means that what, string length is 5. 1 2 3 4 5, string length is 5. We want the output as 5. Say for example, this string I have taken it as str, string name. Okay, so I can take one variable I which loop through all these till the end of string is encountered. It will start from 0. So for this, what I can do, I can use for loop. I will start from where? I will start from 0, and I should iterate till where? Till end of string is encountered. So end of string, how I can do str, here I should mention str of I is not equal to null character, and then I plus plus. Okay, so what does this do? Means that str of I is not equal to null. Till then it keeps on looping. Okay, iterating, not loop, iterating. So now then I plus plus, it should increment it because it should loop through all these characters one by one. And then see, do you want to do anything inside the for loop? No, we don't want to do anything. We just want to get the final value. That is why I'll just close the for loop here itself. Okay, once this calculation is done, it will just print the value of I, right? So say for example, we have reached I is equal to 3 now. I is equal to 3 means str of 3, what is that? L is equal to null character? No, it is not equal to null character. And then what is that? Next it will be incremented to 4. Then str of 4, what is str of 4? Oh, whether it is null character? No, it is not. So I will be incremented and it is 5, and now it is 5. Str of 5, whether it is null character? Yes, it is null character. So for loop ends there and it will come out. What was the last I value incremented to? It was 5, and that is why it will print value 5. Okay, so here is a program. Guys, one thing I forgot to tell, see, all those programs whichever I'll be explaining, I have put up one link in the description box, so you can click to that link and you can access to the program. You will be having all the programs. Just copy paste it and try executing it. Put some print statements in between so that you will understand the proper execution of the programs and you will understand in a better way. Okay, so see here, I have taken one character yes as hello friend. I have taken int I, and then for loop. Here I have closed the for loop with semicolon, means that it will keep on looping and until this null character is encountered. It will come out of the loop and it will just print I. You will get the length of the string, right? Next is string reverse using recursion. So guys, see, string reverse can be calculated using can be done using many methods, but in specific, if they ask for string reverse using recursion, then you can just think of the stack. So if you have watched my previous video, I have clearly explained that stack always follows LIFO. These two things, if you remember, you can write the recursion logic. How? I'll show you how. So say for example, you have a string pro. Okay, what happens? See, recursion means calling one function inside the another function. Okay, same function will keep on calling one inside the another one. Okay, first what happens, pro will be pushed to the stack, okay, where here, and next r will be pushed here, and then o will be pushed. Okay, which is the last element to be pushed? That is o. That's why which will be the first one to be popped? O. So o, r and p. So now we got the reverse of the string. That's it. So how we will do this, how we will execute this? So for that, let's see the program. See, I have taken one string, function, reverse sentence. I will ask the user to enter the sentence. Whenever the user starts entering the sentence, what will happen? That will directly go to the function, reverse function. Okay, and those sentence is taken character by character, and hi I will take hi. Yes, so first it will check, it will take the h character, it will check if that is new line. So what is new line here? After the user enters whatever he wants to enter, like hi, hello, all those, and then he hits a enter button, that enter will be converted into new line. Okay, that's what it is checking here. If h is new line, no, it is not new line, again this will be called. Before that, this h will be pushed to the stack h. Okay, after that again this will be called. See, reverse function, I have mentioned one more time, this will be called. Next character will be taken and it will be checked whether it is new line. No, then again this will be pushed, and then what next is new line. After this, user will enter /n, and then it will check whether it is /n. Yes, it is /n. So what happens? One by one all the characters are popped from the stack, and I will be displayed first and second will be h. Okay, let's move to the next program. So guys, now again string reverse, but this is not using by recursion program. Okay, so not recursively. So we will use a simple logic here to reverse a string. Say for example, you have we will take that easy string hello. Okay, so see guys, this is very damn simple. So you will start from 0, I is equal to 0, you will start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, I is equal to first you want to print the string in reverse, right? So you should start from the end, just read the string from the end and keep on printing all those characters one by one. That's done. So from where you will start the I, you will start the I from the string length. What is string length here? String length will fetch you the string length. So if you mention string length, it will start from the last character itself. Remember this. Either you can use string I of I is not equal /n, or you can use string length. Okay, string length of whatever str. These two you can make use of, but at this program the string length is fine to use, so that is why I'll be using this one, string length. So we will start with the end of the string and we will loop till I is equal to 0. So that is what here, string length, and I have taken a name 20, and then I'll ask the user to enter the string. See here, I am using fgetS. So there are two things. One is getS of string, another one is fgetS of string, and it has this syntax name maximum std. Maximum means you can either define max of any value. Okay, and that value directly you can use this max as max only you can use, or else you can also do one thing is that you can you need not define, but this whatever the name is there, you should have some value, and that size of name, if you use as I've used here directly, it will take value 20. Okay, so better you use f getAs. Why? Because this getAs will not have any boundary value. That is why it may cause buffer overflow. Means that, see, even if you have mentioned as a name of 20, it will take more than 20, okay, characters. It keeps on taking the character. That is why it may cause buffer overflow. So it is a better practice to use f getAs always, right? So here we will be calculating the length of the string, which we will be using in the for loop, and then now starts with the for I is equal to string length of the name. Either you can use this one directly, or you can use this itself. Okay, so I have used this. For your better understanding, I have taken this. You can just skip these two line and directly you can use string length of name here. So till where I want to continue? I want to continue till 0. I'm starting from the end. I want to iterate till 0, and then as I'm starting from the end, I will decrement, not increment. Okay, so as it is decrement, I will keep on giving I minus minus, not I plus plus. So whenever one character is found, it will just keep on printing all those, okay, in the opposite direction from the end to the beginning. So we will get the reverse of the string. So next is count of the given character. So count of the given character means what? Say for example, user has entered one word, hello, how are you? Okay, now I want to find how many times O is there. O is present in this particular string. How many times O is present? 2 times, right? I want to print O as 2. So there are two things. One, I will ask the user to enter the whole string, and second one, I will ask the user which character you want to count. He can give any of these characters, right? So now what I can do is, so see here, yes, let's start from, these are all the assignment part in the first. Yes, I will ask the user to enter the string. He will get the string, and then I will ask the user to enter the character. Character is taken, and now I will iterate through that. Okay, I will iterate through this one, and then I'll just do the comparison character by character. That's it. So see, I will start from 0 till where string length of name I want to iterate, and then I will compare character by character. C, if it is equal to C means character. If he has entered B, C will have the character B. Okay, this is a variable, not the character. This is a variable. If C is equal to name of I, what name of I will be? If I write hello, okay, sorry, hello. If I say that I want to count E, then C is equal to E. Okay, E will be compared with H if it is equal. No, it is not equal. E will be compared with the name of 0, 1. Name of 1 means E. Whether it is equal, yes, it is equal. So count will be increased by 1. Then again name of 0, 1, 2 will be compared. Whether it is equal, no, it is not equal. So it will, if it is present, E is present, the given character is present, the count will keep on incrementing, or else count won't increment. And at the end, once string length means that end of the string is encountered, then it will come out of the loop, and then it will print the value count. So next is search the word in the string. Okay, search the word in the string means, say for example, I have yes, I have Gurukul. Now I want to find one substring here. This is the string, main string, and this the string I want to search. I have given it as search string, and what I want to search, I want to search KUL. This is a substring. if KUL is present or not. Yes, it is present. That is why it should give found. And if I ask hello, means search string as hello, whether hello is present in Gurukul, no, that is why it should give not found. This is a requirement now. Okay, so what I will do, first I will ask the user to enter the string. So that is by using fgetIs. After that I will ask the user to enter word you want to search. Again it will take the next word. Okay, so this is just I'm calculating the length of the search string using str length. So first what we will do is, first we will go to the matching case. Okay, so let me take Gurukul only. Gurukul. So I want to search KUL. Okay, see, for this I will take variable j, for this I will take variable I. Okay, now I want to increment j every time. Okay, I also every time. So now let's take the matching case. If it is matches, what happens, what we need to do. See, if I and j matches, then I need to move to next character both. So I plus plus and also here j plus plus, right? So if UU is matched, I want to again increment both. That is why again I plus plus j plus plus. So that is what I have mentioned. Which two string I want to compare? This string is called as just string. I have named it as string, and this string I am giving as search string. Okay, so what I have mentioned here, that is what, if search of I is equal to string of j, then increment both. Okay, else what we should do? If it is not, then what we should do? If it is not, I should increment only j. First what happens, I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0. Okay, so k and g will be compared. Whether these two are equal? No, these two are not equal. That is why what we should do, we should just increment j. I will just increment j to next. Now it will check whether u and k are equal. No, it is not equal, right? So again I should increment j. So it means what? If I and j are not equal, then I should only increment j, not I. I should keep as it is to 0 itself. That is what I have mentioned here. J I will increment, I will keep as it is. I is equal to 0 itself. I am not going to change this. See, don't miss this particular statement. Okay, I is equal to 0. Why? Because here I have KL. Can you tell me if KL substring is present in this particular main string? No, it is not present. But if you miss this I is equal to 0, it will show you as found itself. Why? That is because, see, in the first, see here j keeps on incrementing and it comes till here. That time j and I will also get incremented, right? These two are matched. J anyways it will increment j plus plus to u, and I will also be incremented to L. Okay, now what happens? It will check L and U, these two are equal. No, it is not equal. And then next what happens? This will not increment, I will not increment, but j will increment. So here we have not reset I, right? That will be 1 itself. Now again it will compare L and L, it is 2. So I will be incremented and I is equal to 2. Okay, now I is equal to 2. If we have not reset I is equal to 0 here. So what happens? I am giving one condition statement as if I is equal to length, length 2. So I, what is the length of I now here? It is length 2, 0, 1. The length of the string is 2. And what is the I value? It is also 2. It will compare and it will say like, yes, I have found the substring. So that is why I am telling you, you should reset the value every time j is incremented. Okay, just remember that if both are equal, then increment I as well as j, and if both are not equal, if the character is not equal, then increment only j. Okay, I you keep as it is, you need not increment I. Okay, so now next is, see, till where you want to increment I and j. That is, I you want to increment till end of the character, end of the string, and this one also, the main string also, you want to loop till the end of the character. That is what I have mentioned here. You should have one condition, right? Or else what happens, you have found KUL in this substring, but substring you have found already, but still it will keep on searching in the next also. Okay, means that even though there are no letters, it keeps on searching. Like if you put the print statement, you will get to know it keeps on printing some dummy values. Okay, so better to write a proper program. You include, you want to search till it reaches I value. Once I value reaches the end, you don't want to search. Means that I value reaches the end means what, you have already found the substring. And one more condition is that till the j value reaches the end of the string, means that you have already searched the whole string, still you have not got any substring. Okay, so now whatever the I value is incremented at the end, so I value will be 1 2 3 here after incrementing, and this 3 and this length, the length is also 3, right? If both are equal, means that it is found, or else it is not found. Guys, I hope you have understood string and the related programs. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and support. All the programs whichever I have explained, I will put a link in the description. Please access to that and you can get the program. Just try executing that, and if you need any topic in specific, please write in comments below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.